Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to extend the trend line in Microsoft Excel. So guys, we have this trend line. So firstly select it, then right click and here click on format trend line. So here underneath forecast you can increase or decrease trend line here. Like you want to increase in forward, so enter the number, then click anywhere. Similarly, you can increase in backward like this. And if you want to this chart, so firstly select your data, insert, and here select this first one. Now select this trend line, right click and click on add trend line, and you can extend it. So thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you or not.